In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue when your Vizio TV can't mirror an Android device. First, make sure your TV and Android device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network because screen mirroring requires both devices to be on the same network. Next, restart both your TV and your Android to refresh the connection. On your TV, go to Menu, Extras, SmartCast Mobile or Home, Screen Mirroring, and make sure the feature is enabled. On your Android device, open the Screen Mirroring or Cast option and select your Vizio TV from the list of available devices. If it still doesn't work, reset the TV's network settings under Menu, System, Reset and Admin, Reset Network, which often resolves connectivity issues. You can also check for software updates under Menu, System, Check for updates, since outdated firmware can cause mirroring problem. And that's how you fix your Vizio TV can't mirror Android and start casting your device's screen easily.